Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by preparing the device and waking the screen so you can reach the home screen quickly. First, make sure the watch has enough battery and is unlocked, otherwise you can't navigate. Once done, tap the display, raise your wrist, or press the digital crown to activate the display. If a passcode appears, enter it. These steps get you into an interactive state. Make sure to use the method that consistently wakes your watch to avoid repeating actions. Now you'll move from the current screen to the home screen and choose a view that works. Press the digital crown once to jump out of any app and reveal the home screen. If you see a grid of icons and prefer a list, pinch the screen or use settings right arrow home screen to switch. Rotating the crown still scrolls. Once on the home screen, either tap an app to open it or swipe and use the crown to browse. This minimizes taps and keeps navigation efficient. Finish by arranging the home screen to suit how you use the watch and know one quick fix if things go wrong. Press and hold an app icon to enter edit mode and drag icons to reorder, or open the iPhone Watch app and arrange there for precision. If the watch freezes or won't show the home screen, restart it first. If that fails, use the general right arrow reset options. Finally, if apps are missing, check the paired iPhone's Watch app to reinstall them.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.